How to add shortcut in Google Chrome. So first of all, go onto Google Chrome. It doesn't matter what web page you're on, whether you're on Google, YouTube, or whatever. The first step is to go towards the top of the screen, looking at the tabs. You should see a little plus icon where it says new tab. If you go over it, click on that. Then you'll want to click on add shortcut, which should be in the middle of the screen there. Next, once you've clicked on that, you want to go ahead and type in the name of the thing you want to shortcut. It doesn't matter what it is. So let's say for instance, inside a YouTube library, I just want to have that. Then I'm going to need the URL, the web address. Then go over to whatever the web address is. Go ahead and copy it. Then you'll want to go ahead and paste it into the URL. Technically, you could type it in, but that's just a lot quicker. Once you finish with that, click done in the middle of the screen. Then you should see there, if you open up the new tab as you did before, you should see your shortcut there. So for me, it's YouTube Library. You can click on it, it'll open up, and then you can go straight to the shortcut as you want. So please leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.